Creating a wooden serving tray from reclaimed wood, especially with an engraved design, holds significant importance in both practical and artistic realms. This craft not only embodies sustainability, but also allows for personal expression, craftsmanship, and a connection to nature. As consumers become increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their purchases, finding ways to repurpose materials in meaningful ways has gained popularity. A wooden serving tray made from reclaimed wood serves as a perfect example of how creativity can lead to functional art. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wooden serving tray with engraved design ideas from reclaimed wood. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The first aspect to consider is the environmental impact of using reclaimed wood. Reclaimed wood is salvaged from old buildings, furniture, and other structures, giving new life to timber that might otherwise be discarded. By choosing to create a serving tray from this material, you actively participate in a sustainable practice that reduces waste and conserves resources. Unlike newly harvested wood, which requires energy-intensive processing and contributes to deforestation, reclaimed wood embodies a commitment to environmental stewardship. This choice resonates with the growing movement towards sustainability, encouraging others to consider the ecological footprint of their materials and products. Moreover, reclaimed wood carries a rich history and character that new wood often lacks. Each piece has its own story, marked by the passage of time, weather, and previous use. The unique grains, textures, and imperfections of reclaimed wood add depth and personality to the serving tray, making it a one-of-a-kind item. When you create a serving tray from reclaimed wood, you're not just crafting a functional piece, you are also preserving a narrative that can be shared with others. This history can spark conversations, allowing you to connect with family and friends over the stories behind the wood and the items you create from it. Engraving designs onto the serving tray further enhances its significance. The act of engraving transforms a simple wooden surface into a canvas for artistic expression. Whether you opt for intricate patterns, meaningful quotes, or personalized monograms, the engraving process allows you to infuse the tray with your personality and style. This customization makes the serving tray not just a kitchen tool, but a cherished item that reflects your individuality. Handmade items often carry more emotional weight than mass-produced goods, and an engraved serving tray can become a family heirloom, passed down through generations. The craftsmanship involved in making a wooden serving tray from reclaimed wood cannot be overlooked. The process requires skill, attention to detail, and a deep understanding of the material. Working with reclaimed wood often presents challenges, such as irregular shapes and unique grain patterns, which can make crafting a serving tray a rewarding endeavor. This hands-on experience fosters a connection between the maker and the material, as each cut, sand, and engraving becomes part of the creative journey. The satisfaction that comes from transforming raw wood into a functional, beautiful piece is unparalleled, reinforcing the value of artisanal craftsmanship in an increasingly automated world. In addition to the personal fulfillment that comes from making a serving tray, there are practical benefits as well. A wooden serving tray is a versatile item that can be used for various purposes, from serving food and drinks to organizing items on a coffee table or countertop. Its functionality makes it an essential addition to any home, enhancing both everyday life and special occasions. The ability to create a serving tray that perfectly fits your needs and style allows for a deeper appreciation of its use in your home, transforming the mundane act of serving into a beautiful experience. Hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. Creating a serving tray from reclaimed wood also encourages mindfulness and intentionality in our consumption habits. In a world dominated by fast fashion and disposable items, taking the time to craft something durable and meaningful serves as a reminder of the value of quality over quantity. The process of making a tray encourages reflection on how we use and appreciate the items in our lives. Every time you use the tray, it serves as a reminder of the care and effort that went into its creation, fostering a greater sense of gratitude for the objects we interact with daily. The engraved designs on the tray can serve various purposes, enhancing its significance further. For instance, you might choose to engrave a family name or a special date, turning the tray into a commemorative piece for gatherings or celebrations. This personalization can create lasting memories as the tray becomes associated with shared moments and traditions. When family and friends gather around your table, the serving tray takes on an even deeper meaning, acting as a vessel for connection and hospitality. Furthermore, the act of serving food and beverages on a beautifully crafted wooden tray elevates the experience of sharing meals with others. In our fast-paced lives, where meals can often be hurried and disconnected, using a handmade serving tray encourages us to slow down and savor the moment. The tactile nature of wood and the beauty of the engravings draw attention to the act of sharing, transforming it into a meaningful ritual. This focus on connection and presence is especially valuable in today's society, where technology often distracts from the simple joys of face-to-face interaction. Additionally, a wooden serving tray made from reclaimed wood can inspire creativity in other areas of home decor. Its natural beauty and unique character can serve as a focal point in your kitchen or dining area, inviting you to explore complementary decor elements. Whether you choose to display fresh fruits, aromatic herbs, or artisanal beverages, the tray becomes a canvas for showcasing your culinary passions. The engraved designs can also inspire themes for your gatherings, enhancing the overall ambience and experience of entertaining guests. In terms of community impact, crafting serving trays from reclaimed wood can also foster connections with local artisans and makers. Many communities have workshops or classes that focus on woodworking and the use of reclaimed materials. Joining these spaces allows individuals to learn from experienced craftsmen, share techniques, and exchange ideas. This collaborative environment not only enriches your skills, but also builds a sense of community around shared values of sustainability and craftsmanship. By participating in local initiatives, you contribute to the revival of traditional skills and support the growth of a creative community. Ultimately, the significance of creating a wooden serving tray from reclaimed wood extends far beyond the physical item itself. It embodies a commitment to sustainability, craftsmanship, and personal expression. The tray becomes a vehicle for storytelling, connection, and mindfulness in an increasingly disconnected world. Each time you use or display the tray, it serves as a reminder of the beauty of repurposing materials and the value of creating something meaningful. As we navigate a world that often prioritizes convenience over quality, taking the time to craft items like wooden serving trays from reclaimed wood encourages a shift in perspective. It prompts us to consider the impact of our choices on the environment and our relationships with the objects we bring into our homes. By embracing the artistry of woodworking and the unique charm of reclaimed materials, we can create decor that not only fulfills practical needs, but also enriches our lives in profound ways. The importance of making a wooden serving tray from reclaimed wood, complete with engraved designs, is multifaceted. This craft celebrates sustainability, personal expression, and the art of craftsmanship while fostering connections with nature and community. The resulting tray becomes a cherished item that embodies history, character, and individuality, transforming the act of serving into a meaningful experience. By choosing to engage in this creative process, individuals not only enrich their own lives, but also contribute to a greater cultural appreciation for sustainability and artisanal work. In a world that often overlooks the beauty of handmade items, creating wooden serving trays from reclaimed wood stands as a testament to the power of creativity, connection, and conscious living. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wooden serving tray with engraved design ideas from reclaimed wood. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.